Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about in the polymer technology. માં ડિસ્કસ કરીશું આપણે generalization of the foraging concept. Okay, this is an important question for all derivation part. Okay, first of all, this simple discussion for a generalization of the foraging concept. In computing the molecular weight, આપણે concept of average boiling void, molecular weight ના સિમ્પલી કોન્સેપ્ટ જોઈ ગયા છે કે હાઉ ટુ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ ફોર અ મોલિક્યુલર વેટ પાર્ટ ફોર સમ ફ્રૂટ્સ વેજીટેબલ્સ અને ડિફરન્ટ કેજીસ પર પ્રાઇસ એના બેઝિસ પર આપણે જોઈ ગયા છે બરાબર. ઇન કોમ્પ્યુટિંગ ધ મોલિક્યુલર વેટ of a polymer we can also use either the number of fractions of the weight fractions of the molecules present in the polymer to get either the number average molecules weight or the weight average molecular weight designated as a molecular weight concept. Okay, respective the simple method, the working of this which one the designer the mn bar and mw molecular weight, the number of molecular weight. Okay, number અને આ મોલેક્યુલર વેટના બેઝિસ પર. Now the respective the method of working out Mn and Mw can now be easily generalized using simple mathematics. Assume that there are the n number of the molecules in a polymer of a sample and n1 of them the m1 molecular weight and n2 have the m2 molecular weight, and so on till we get n1 having m1 molecular weight જે figure 3.1 છે. First of all let's draw into it. પોલિમર સેમ્પલ આપ્યું છે n મોલેક્યુલ્સ માટે અને નીચેના સબ પોઈન્ટ છે જે m1 સ્મોલ n1, m2 સ્મોલ n2, m3 સ્મોલ n3, m4 સ્મોલ n4 આ સુધી. And conceptual representation of a polymer sample containing n number of molecules of different molecular weight, of which n1 have a molecular weight m1, n2 have a m2 and so on. Draw this figure completely, first part. Okay, this is an important figure. Now then the section of this derivation part. Conceptual representation of a polymer sample containing n number of molecules of different molecular weight, of which n1 have a molecular weight of m1, n2 have m2 and so on. Now we have a total number of molecules n given by this equation. N is equal to n1 plus n2 plus n3 up to ni summation ni. Now we have a total number of molecules given by n is equal to n1 plus n2 plus n3 summation ni. The number of molecules in a fractions 1 is equal to n1. The number of fractions of this 1 is equal to n1 by n is equal to n1 by summation ni. Molecular weight contribution by fractions 1 is equal to n1 m1 by summation ni. Similarly, the molecular weight contributions by these other fractions will be as follows, that these equations n2 n3 up to ni સુધી. Okay, so first of all the revision part, take this topic, generalization of the foraging concept. In computing the molecular weight of a polymer, we can also either the fractions of the number, weight fractions of the molecules represent in the polymer to get either the number of average molecular weight, designated as a Mn, or weight average molecular weight, designated as a molecular weight respective. The method of working out Mn and Nw can now be easily generalized using simply the mathematics assume that there are n number of molecules in a polymer sample and n1 of them the m1 molecular weight, and to have the m2 molecular weight, and so on till we get n1 having m1 molecular weight. This figure. Now the conceptual representation of a polymer sample containing n number of molecules, this derivation part. Okay, n is equal to n1 plus n2 plus n3 up to ni is equal to summation ni, number of molecules in fractions 1 is equal to n1, and the number of fractions of fraction 1 is equal to n1 by n is equal to n1 by summation ni. Molecular weight contributions by fraction 1 is equal to n1 m1 by summation ni, and similarly molecular weight contribution by other fractions will be as follows: n2 m2 by summation ni, n3 m3 by summation ni, ni mi by summation ni. Okay, in the continued derivation part, this section, write down the whole section part. The number average molecular weight of the whole polymer will be given by this equation. Okay, n1 m1 by summation ni plus n2 m2 by summation ni up to ni સુધી. તો શું થશે? સમેશન ni mi by summation ni is equal to mn. What is the mn? જે આપણે પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈ ગયા હતા સ્ટાર્ટિંગના પોઈન્ટમાં. This is mn, designated as mn for number average molecular weight and a weight average molecular weight. નંબર એવરેજ અને વેઇટ એવરેજ બે વસ્તુ છે, એટલે આના બેઝિસ પર આ ઇક્વેશન્સ આવશે. ફર્સ્ટ નોટ ડાઉન કમ્પ્લીટલી. ઓકે, નંબર એવરેજ થઈ ગયું. હવે સેમ આપણે શું કરવાનું છે, ટોટલ એવરેજ પ્રમાણે કરવાનું છે. ઓકે, વિચ વન ધીસ ઇક્વેશન્સ ફર્સ્ટ જોયું આપણે, નંબર એવરેજ મોલિક્યુલર વેટ ઓફ ધી હોલ પોલિમર વિલ ધેન ધી ગિવન બાય n1 m1 by summation ni plus n2 m2 by summation ni plus up to ni mi by summation ni is equal to summation ni my by summation ni is equal to mn. Similarly, total weight of the polymer is equal to w is equal to summation ni mi. Which one term? This one. ઓકે, આ તો જોઈ લીધું છે. હવે વેઇટ ઓફ ફ્રેક્શન્સ 1 ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ w1 ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ n1 m1. ઓકે, the weight fractions of the fraction 1 is equal to n1 m1 by w is equal to n1 m1 by summation ni mi. The molecular weight contributions by fractions 1 is given by n1 m1 m1 by summation ni mi. Is 1 given by the fractions 1 contribute molecular weight, the n1 m1 whole square by summation ni mi. The similarly molecular weight contribution by the other fractions will be, okay, the whole part note down. These three equations note down. Okay, the first of all these equations, second one this one, finally is this derivation part for a weight average molecular weight and a number average molecular weight ના બંનેના ડેરિવેશનના પાર્ટ પરથી આપણે ઇક્વેશન ડાઉન ડેરિવેશન કર્યું છે. ઓકે, similarly the molecular weight contributions by the other fractions will be n2 m2 square by summation ni mi comma n3 m3 square by summation ni mi, the n1 mi square by summation ni mi. The weight average molecular weight of the whole polymer will be then n1 m1 square by summation ni mi plus n2 m2 square by summation ni mi plus up to ni mi square by summation ni mi is equal to summation ni mi square by summation ni mi is equal to molecular weight for all this is synthetic polymer. mw is greater than mn if they v will be equal. The polymer sample may be considered as a perfectly homogeneous. Okay, this is the not happened will be there. ઓકે, પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં આ 3 પોઈન્ટ છે તે આપણે જોઈશું, ડિસ્કસ કરીશું. મોલિક્યુલર વેટ અને ડિગ્રી ઓફ પોલિમરાઇઝેશન, દેન સેડિમેન્ટેશન એન્ડ વિસ્કોસિટી એવરેજ મોલિક્યુલર વેટ. ઓકે, મોલિક્યુલર વેટ અને નંબર એવરેજ મોલિક્યુલર વેટ, વેટ એવરેજ અને નંબર એવરેજના બંનેના ઇક્વેશન આપણે જોયા, એના બેઝિસ પરથી કયું ઇક્વેશન આવે છે. Now simple this equation in a generalizations fractions. for present in the polymer to get either the number average molecular weight and weight average molecular weight. Thank you so much. Okay, first equations કયું છે આયરુઆ અને લાસ્ટ ઇક્વેશન્સ છે એ આના બેઝિસ પર છે. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ.